Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how I grabbed all of these items completely free, plus made money at Walgreens this week. This includes both the in-store deals that started Sunday, November 29th and runs through Saturday, December 5th, as well as a smoking hot online deal that's good today, Cyber Monday. So I'm going to tell you the breakdown on both of those here in just a second. I would like to ask that if you enjoy the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to those of you who are already subscribed and tune in weekly. All right, couple of things. Let's talk about the online deal that I grabbed today. I don't know if this will be available tomorrow. I'm assuming not, because it is the Cyber Monday 30% off deal online. You will need to use the code CYBER30 when you check out. Now, there is free shipping right now. So you can either get it shipped free to your house, or you can go pick it up in the store like I did. And I did that just so I could show you the deal and actually show you the products. So to start out with, there is this weird coupon that popped up last week and it said sneak peek $10 off. Well, it appears that that coupon is $10 off any $20 beauty purchase, or at least that's how it worked for me, and it applied to my online order. So let me tell you exactly what I did, and you can see the breakdown written out in the Google Doc that I've included in the video description below. So these baby lip moisturizers, these are $3.99 each, and they are buy one, get one half off this week. So I bought a total of 4 of them, all right? 4 of these guys, $3.99, buy one, get one half off. And I had a number of coupons that I clipped to my card that came off with this purchase. I had a $3 off Maybelline, a $4 off Maybelline, and a $2 off Maybelline. So the 3 of those with the buy one, get one 50% off came out to $11.96 minus the 4, 3, and $2 coupons. I paid $2.96 total for those 4 items, but that also counts towards the spend 20, get 10. The next item that I grabbed were these Olay makeup wipes. So these were priced at $5.49, regular price. So that Cyber 30, the 30% off applied to this item. There was also a $2 off coupon for that item. All right, next up, I grabbed 3 of these small Pantenes. So they're priced at $1.99 each. So 3 of them was $5.97. And there is a $5 off 3 digital coupon, making all 3 just 97 cents. Now, when I add all of those items to my cart, okay, I enter the Cyber30 code, another $1.35 came off for the 30% off. I paid a total of $7.67, and I earned $10.22 back on this purchase, making all of these items over here completely free, plus a $2.46 moneymaker. I'm going to show you what that looked like on the screen when I checked out. I went and I picked up my order at the store. Within 10 minutes of doing the curbside pickup, the points had been credited to my account. So again, all free, plus almost a $3 moneymaker buying all of these items. If that was confusing in any way, let me know down in the comments below and I will do my best to answer your questions. My guess is there's a number of different ways to grab free cosmetic items with the Cyber30 coupon code, plus the digital coupons and that $10 back when you spend $20. All right, next up, a super easy freebie. This card at the store was priced at $2, and I had a digital coupon for $2 off any Hallmark card, making it completely free at checkout. Another item that I grabbed was this Gillette Skin Guard razor. So this guy was priced at $5.49. I had a $4 digital coupon clipped to my card, so I paid $1.49, but I got a $4 register reward back, making it a $2.51 moneymaker on this razor. I also noticed that I had a $7 off coupon for some of the Gillette or Venus razors. Unfortunately, it wasn't applying to the razors in my store that were marked on clearance, so I didn't end up using it. But check and see if you have that coupon, because that's a super high value coupon. All right, next up, another great deal is on the Scope and Crest products. They are $4 each, and when you buy two, you will get a $4 register reward back. So I did not actually do this deal, but I want to show it to you in case you want to do it. So the Scope mouthwash was priced at $4. The Crest Pro Health Advanced, the 5.1 ounce, those were priced at $4. There is a $3 off 2 digital coupon that you can clip to your card. So you would pay $5 and get a $4 register reward back, making it just $1 for the 2 items, or 50 cents each. Another awesome deal is on the Snuggle products. Now these are actually on sale, buy one get one free, so you don't even need a coupon. But at Walgreens this week, the Snuggle products, buy one get one free. So I bought this scent booster for $5.99. I grabbed these dryer sheets for $5.99 for free. So I paid $5.99 total, and I got back $4 on Ibotta, making it $1.99 for both of these products. Now, if you have the Ibotta bonus, it might even be cheaper. You might get another $1 off, making it just 99 cents for both products. I didn't have that bonus because I think I had already used it. So I paid $1.99 for both of these products, or just 99 cents each. So that's a great deal on these products if that's something that you use and need. So overall, I ran in and ran out of Walgreens super quick today. I didn't have a lot of time to shop around. My guess is there's even more awesome deals to be had. One that I've seen some people doing, and I just didn't have the coupon, is on the Kellogg's cereal. So there's Kellogg's cereal priced at $1.99 this week, and some people are getting $3 off 3 Kellogg's cereal digital coupons. So check your digital coupons on your Walgreens app and see if you got that $3 off 3 or a $2 off 2. That would make for an awesome deal when combined with the Ibotta rebate. If you don't have the Ibotta app yet, definitely take the time to download it. It is a fantastic app. Use my referral code when you do so. The referral code is right here, and you will get extra cash back when you submit your first receipt. All right, guys, hope you are having a fantastic start to your week and finding awesome Cyber Monday deals. Stay tuned for my Wednesday Walmart video that will be coming to you this Wednesday. Thanks, guys.